Hey beautiful babes, Sweet Angel here, and welcome back to Beauty by Sweet Angel. We're on day 10 of our 30 days of natural remedies from the past, and today we're taking it back to something truly comforting, the old oatmeal bath. Now, I know some of y'all remember this one from way back when your skin was itchy, dry, or just plain irritated. Grandma didn't reach for a fancy bottle. She went straight to the kitchen cabinet for a little oatmeal. And let me tell you, this remedy still works like a charm. Oatmeal is packed with natural antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. It soothes irritated skin, locks in moisture, and leaves your body feeling silky smooth. Let's make one together. 1 cup of plain unsweetened oatmeal, quick oats or rolled oats is fine. 1 blender, food processor or coffee grinder, a tub filled with warm, not hot water. Now all you have to do is grind your oats until they become fine like powder, like flour. This is called colloidal oatmeal. It helps dissolve better in water. Fill your bathtub halfway with warm water. Avoid hot water, please. It can dry out your skin even more. Add the oatmeal powder and swirl it around with your hand until the water looks milky. Now, if you want to, you can mix in honey, Epsom salt, or essential oils for extra nourishment. Now you're going to soak for 15 to 20 minutes, letting that creamy oatmeal water soothe and soften your skin. Now pat your skin dry gently with a towel, no rubbing. Finish with a natural moisturizer like shea butter, coconut oil, or aloe vera gel to lock in that moisture. And there you have it. Your skin will thank you for this one. It's amazing how something so simple can bring such comfort and calm. If you give this oatmeal bath a try, let me know down in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss day 11 of our challenge. Stay beautiful, stay sweet, and I'm Sweet Angel signing off. Bye now.